Hey, let's replace a bathroom fan. And it is placed appropriately enough directly over the toilet. So the first thing we want to do is close the toilet lid so the parts don't fall in there. Now, one might be tempted to stand on the toilet to do this job, but if you do that, you have a chance of one, falling in the toilet, breaking your leg and the toilet while getting electrocuted, and that makes for a really bad day. And I went to my friendly home center and purchased a replacement motor for my bathroom fan. So now you're going to see a bathroom fan motor unboxing. Ta-da! The trick to taking these things apart is, one, it's hard to do when you're making YouTube videos with one hand and working on the other. And they also made pretty cheaply where they're usually just clipped together by something like that. See how easy that came off? And it dropped just as easily on the ground. And inside there's just a wing nut holding the rest together, so I'll take that off. And this one has a built-in outlet, so I'll just unplug the fan and the light right there. I've already checked the outlet and know that it's good, so it is the fan motor that's bad. I had some trouble drilling those things out while standing on my head, so I'm going to use a bit of persuasion with these giant pliers until something breaks. Okay, I got one broke loose. Let's try the other one. Yay. Now I just need to remove those two nuts with a ratchet and the motor should come right out. Now I'll bend that thing down and the whole apparatus should come right out. Whew, nasty. And of course, be sure to mark them so you know which one's new and which one's old. So now we drop in the new one. We drop in the new one. And we're going to plug it in over here. And we'll put the screws back on. At least get them started, while not dropping them in the toilet. No! I decided to take a step backwards because those rivets were hard to get out, so I took it in the garage and pounded on it with a nail until they came loose, and then I can reassemble as much as possible while I'm here on the ground. So it's much easier to drop that bracket on there like that. Put the screws on, the bolts, nuts I should say. Like so. And I'll put that fan and bracket assembly back in there. And since I drilled or removed the rivets, I will use some sheet metal screws to hold them in place. And there you can see the sheet metal screws holding this back together. And then you just plug in the fan right there. And probably the worst part of this whole operation is the flimsy way that it's all held together. This one takes a wing nut right in the middle, holding it all up. Okay, so there's the wing nut that holds the light assembly back together. You just need to plug that in at the other outlet up there. And then I put the light bulb back in so you have plenty of bright light above the toilet for reading and whatever. And reassembling these tabs hold the decorative edge in place. The light cover just comes on. And now you have lights, fan, action. Thanks for watching. Please like and subscribe.